Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to the line. So there is a line which is perpendicular to another line, right? So let's understand the question by making the xy plane, right? So I am making, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So let's say there is a line. So let's say this is the line. I'm taking the name of this line as L1, and the equation of this line I have given, it is given in the question is this one, right? This is for L1. Now there is a line which is perpendicular on this line and comma where it meets the y-axis. So they are talking about the line L2 which meets the y-axis and it is perpendicular to this line also. So we have to very uh, thoughtfully we have to make a line which is perpendicular to this line. So and it meets the y-axis also, right? So let's say this is the line, right? This is the line, let's say. Okay, so we don't know right now what is this point. This line is crossing the y-axis at positive point or at the negative point. We don't know. So this is just an assumption that we have made. So this is line L2. Now these two lines are perpendicular. So angle is less than 90 degree, but because it's a rough XY plane. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. This is line L1 and this is line L2. Line L2 is perpendicular to line L1. So from this we get to know that we can use the formula for the slope, that whenever the two lines are perpendicular, the slope product is equals to -1. So we have to work out for the slope for L1, then we can easily find out the slope for L2. So let's talk about the equation for L1, which is given as x by 4. So this is the intercept form, everyone. So if I will change the equation, I will take the LCM here. So it will be like 3x plus 2y, that is equals to 1. So 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Now, if we convert that equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, so it will be this, and this will be 2 goes in division in this side. So it will be 6 minus 3 by 2x. So this is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So this is c and the m is minus 3 by 2 because whatever you have in multiply with x, that will be m. So m1 is the slope for the line L1 is 3 by 2. Now when I put m1 here, so m2 I got as m2 is equals to minus cancel out and it is got reciprocated. When m1 goes here, it got reciprocated. So it's 2 by 3 positive, right? So I got the slope for line L2. Now everyone, a very important thing. So this is not required now. A very important thing is that the line L2 is passing through the y-axis. So when there is a point on the y-axis, so x is 0. So if I will use the equation for line L1 and I put x as 0 because the point is on the y-axis, so x is 0. So if I put x is equals to 0, what is the value of y? Y is coming 6 because this completely got 0. So y by 6 is equals to 1. So y is equals to 6. So point I got as 0, 6. So this line I have not made it correct because the point is 0, 6. So it will be little above. No problem. So we got the point. So let's take this point. This is little above. So here it will cross this point, let's say, or 0, 6, wherever it lies, right? This is the point, let's say A. Now everyone, what we have to do, we have to work out for the equation of line L2. So we know that whenever we have a point and we have the slope of a line, so we use this equation to find out the equation of line. So y minus y1, so y1 is 6, m which is 2 by 3 and x minus x1 which is 0. Now we just have to sort out this equation, that is equals to 2 by 3x, and we take 6 to that side. So it will become y is equals to 2, wait a minute, what happened? 2 by 3x plus 6. So this is the equation of line L2, right? So that's that, everyone. So thank you so much.